Hey, so Skeeter talked me out of one of my projects.
Redneck engineering at its finest.
I'm working.
We are here at the Diesel Brothers shop.
This ad has been brought to you by Super Glue.
It'll be worth it, I hope. Well, everybody, we are back helping a buddy of mine with one of his builds. It's not one of the Diesel Brothers, but he is blowing up right now on the YouTube. Watch it if you haven't watched it yet. It's going to be insane. I'm going to be helping him out a little bit and getting some parts with him for the Snova, and it's going to be a good time, so you guys need to be around for this one. All right, Skeeter, tell us what we're doing.
All right, we have Ironside monster tow truck 6x6, you guys. We're gonna go build some wheels, but check it out. We got these donor grader wheels for $100 because they're solid rubber, so no one can use them because they're worn out. So I'm just gonna cut the lip off of them, right? And then we barrel them with that 24-inch pipe over there. Super safe. And they go on these awesome axles, and then there's these tires, and these are just our beginning tires. There might be
Little baby ones.
There might be some surprises later on when it comes to tires. Tyler is gracious enough to come and help me because it's hard to do all this by yourself. Plus, it's more fun to have more people to hang out.
This ad has been brought to you by Super Glue.
Quiet on the set!
Yeah, it's gonna be a blast. We're gonna start working on the wheels tonight and see if we can get one all mocked up so we know what to do.
Yeah. You learning anything over here, Tyler?
I'm in a metal shop at 9 o'clock at night with welders. Stay in school,
Stay in school, kid.
So we got one wheel most of the way mocked up. Skeeter's wheel.
Yes.
You will.
John Bar's welding.
John Bar's welding. Come Saturday, me and Skeeter are gonna go get some parts for his build and some parts for my build, and you're not gonna wanna miss it.
We're sacrificing just for you guys. We're trading some cool cars.
Good morning. We are here at the Diesel Brothers shop waiting on Skeeter. He stayed up super late working on his wheel.
I'm working.
We're cluing you in now. It's gonna be a sad day. I'm getting rid of this guy, and this gorgeous thing is what he's trading.
So sad.
It'll be worth it. It'll be worth it.
Please share the videos, and then we can buy our stuff back.
Yes, because we really want to. It's gonna be a bittersweet thing. We're both gonna get parts that we need and giving up good stuff that we don't exactly want to get rid of, but it's going to be worth it in the end, so it'll be worth it, I hope.
Rolling out.
So get some good stuff, huh?
Maverick. You gotta put some air in my tires.
Pegasus.
Little Pegasus.
This is Maxine. Yeah, I was looking at
Maxine.
Off your hood.
Maxine.
Yeah, an old 12 valve.
So this is typical of what you get when you're traveling, right?
Yeah.
No hot babes picking up on you.
hot babes.
Bearded men.
Bearded men.
Oh, I'm in love.
There
Coming.
you go, buddy.
I'm coming.
There you go.
Oh,
And the
Oh.
gears are easy to pull.
oh,
It's badass.
oh.
It's pretty awesome, huh?
It is.
That's freaking way awesome.
What doggies?
Hey, so Skeeter talked me out of one of my projects because we're at a lovely gentleman's place, and this is what I'm trading for. The Snova was missing its axles, and so I needed a front steer, and then I needed another rear steer, and we have got everything that I need in order to make this project work, and in order to get me going, because I was at a standstill for about 6 months now, but now we can keep it going on and hopefully get her on the road by next year. This is Gerald's Wonderland that we've invaded.
Yes.
So I'm trading Gerald the 29 Plymouth, and he's taking taking all of my money.
This is like jail.
There's barely anything there. But he'll get it so that I can get these.
Yeah, we both had some sweet projects we did not want to trade, but we have priorities because we've got to get these projects to you guys, and so it's like we'll give up an awesome thing. Maybe if we can do well on YouTube, we'll come back and buy it,
Buy back.
and he'll screw us again.
And then Gerald will get more money.
Skeeter's in the danger zone.
You gotta lean back all the way. Put your leg all the way.
Safe.
It's hard to balance like this. I'm trying. Redneck engineering at its finest.
Amen.
Maxine can handle this load.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
What have you got up at your place?
Don't tell him.
I want to keep it is what I got up at my place. That looked good. That looked good.
Okay.
There we are. Now we got it. She'll go on the front.
Are we on?
Yep.
All right, it's the next morning. This way you guys can actually see what we picked up. Anyways, this right here, I've been searching for one of those now for a year that I could actually afford. And so didn't really want to get rid of that car because it is a gorgeous car. I love them, but sometimes you got to make sacrifices to get things that you want a little bit more. And so these are going on the Snova. For those of you who don't know what the Snova is, here you go.
Go down in the pipe.
Like and subscribe.
That's the most WWF. You guys